In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. If you've ever built a table you're proud of and want to reuse it somewhere else, maybe in a different project page or a shared workspace, this quick workflow will save you time and keep your formatting consistent. We'll select the entire table, copy it, and paste it exactly where you want, while preserving columns, data, and most settings. First, move your cursor over the table you want to copy. As you hover, Notion reveals a small toolbar and icons around the table. Look for the grid icon near the top left of the tabled area. Clicking that icon selects the whole table at once, so you don't have to drag across columns or highlight individual cells. You'll know it's selected when you see the table outlined and active. This works for both simple tables and database-style tables. The key is to make sure you've clicked that grid so the entire block is targeted, not just a single cell. Next, copy the selection using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On Mac OS, press Command+C. You can also use the Edit menu and choose Copy if you prefer menus over shortcuts, but the keyboard method is the fastest and most reliable. When you copy a table in Notion, you're not just grabbing the visible cells. You're also copying the table's structure. That includes column names and types, and the content that's currently in the rows. If your table uses relations, roll-ups, or formulas, those copy too. But remember, they may reference the same databases after you paste, so you might want to double-check those connections later. Finally, head to the page where you want the table to live and paste it. Open your target page in Notion, click exactly where you want the table to appear. At the top level of the page if you want it standalone, or inside a section if you want it nested, and then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac OS. Notion will create a new table block with the same columns and all the data you copied. If it lands inside a toggle, a callout, or another block by accident, just undo, click in an empty spot on the page, and paste again. After it's in place, you can rename the table, adjust properties, or change views as needed, but the essential copy and paste is complete. And that's it. Hover to select with the grid icon, copy, then paste into your chosen page. Simple, fast, and consistent every time.